Want us to do this integral from 1 to e to the 7th of 6 over x. Okay, I'm going to rewrite this as the integral from 1 to e to the 7th of 6 times 1 over x takes. Now, you might wonder, Mr. Why didn't you pull the x up and make it x to negative 1? Well, because I know 1 over x is a very recognizable form. What's the antiderivative of that? Natural log, right? Natural log of absolute value, technically. So you just kind of recognize it after a while. So it becomes 6. 6 just sits there. There's a natural log of absolute value of x. But then we do have to evaluate this one. This one's a definite integral, right? Between 1 e to the 7th. So we got to plug those in. So we're going to get, so first time you plug in the top one, it's going to be 6 times the natural log of absolute value e to the 7th minus, and then you plug the 1 in there. 6 times the natural log of absolute value of 1. Okay, I'm going to go to Desmos. 6 natural log. Well, actually, you know what? I'm not. Let me just do it right here. You can go to Desmos if you want to, but look, let me help. Absolute value is really doing nothing because e to the 7th is already positive. Remember, e is a number like 2 point, it's technically 2.718, blah, 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 to the 7th. So it's going to be positive. Those absolute values aren't doing anything. It's already positive. And same thing here. Absolute value 1 is just 1. So let's get rid of the absolute values, okay? Next trick, remember, powers can jump down to the front when they're on any log. I don't know if you remember that. So that'd be 6 times 7, 42. That multiplies ln e minus 6 ln 1. Now, ln e is 1, so this is 42. ln of 1 is 0. So this is 0, so the answer is 42. Now, if you don't know all those rules clearly, let me show you how you type it in Desmos. 6 ln absolute value to the 7th. So 6, and where's the ln? Somewhere over here. ln absolute value e to the power 7. It's a lot of typing. 6 ln to the 7th, and then minus 6 ln 1 minus 6 ln 1. And there we go, 42. So you could type that all in if you want, or if you know some of the log rules, right? Powers on a log, powers can drop down and multiply the number in the front, 6 times 7, 42. ln of e is 1 because they cancel. So 42 times 1 is just 42. ln of 1 is 0. You can try that on your calculator. And so that's just 42. And so there we go.